In a world yearning for harmony, the principles of faith offer a beacon of hope. Fairness, acceptance, insight, transparency, and humility, these 5 pillars form the foundation of a just and peaceful world. When we embrace fairness, we create a level playing field where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. Acceptance teaches us to celebrate our differences and recognize the inherent worth of every individual. Insight allows us to look beyond superficial divisions and understand the interconnectedness of all beings. Transparency fosters trust and accountability, essential ingredients for peaceful coexistence. And humility reminds us that we are all equal members of the human family, each with our own unique contributions to make. By embodying these principles in our daily lives, we pave the path towards a brighter future. Let us explore how these principles are being practiced by people from all walks of life, bridging cultural divides and fostering unity across the globe. Their inspiring stories serve as a testament to the power of faith in action.
Across the world, we witness the beauty of unity woven into the fabric of diverse cultures. Namaste Christians, for example, embody the profound respect for life inherent in both Eastern and Western traditions. Their practice of greeting each other with Namaste, a Sanskrit salutation that recognizes the divine spark within each of us, exemplifies the power of embracing diverse perspectives. In the heart of Africa, the spirit of Ubuntu emphasizes the interconnectedness of all humanity. This philosophy, rooted in the belief that I am because we are, reminds us that our well-being is inextricably linked to the well-being of others. From the bustling streets of Mumbai to the serene temples of Kyoto, individuals and communities are embracing the principles of faith, fostering understanding and building bridges of peace. Now from Unity Village in Missouri comes a modern-day Joseph Smith. Revelations carried inside a mega-voter hat inspires Kolob on Earth reimagined. Alpha Generation celebrates.
Born into a world saturated with technology, the Alpha Generation possesses an innate understanding of the digital landscape. Their tech-savvy nature allows them to connect with peers across continents, fostering a sense of global citizenship from a young age. This generation has the potential to leverage technology for good, using their voices to advocate for peace and understanding. As they navigate the digital world, it is essential to guide them towards using their platforms to spread messages of hope and unity. By empowering them with the values of faith, we can nurture their innate empathy and inspire them to become ambassadors of peace in the digital age.
Section 4. A global hug. Leaders and communities uniting for peace. Imagine a global hug, a symbolic gesture of togetherness encompassing all corners of the world. LAUGH being leaders, annual United Group Hug event held each August. Leaders from diverse nations, communities from all walks of life, coming together in a spirit of harmony, peace, and understanding. This shared embrace represents the power of unity, transcending borders and ideologies. Again stating the LAUGH event, short for Leaders' Annual United Group Hug, embodies this vision of a united world. This is an event held each August worldwide. Through music, dance, and inspiring speeches, this event aims to celebrate our shared humanity and ignite a global movement for peace while funding disaster relief efforts.
Section 5. Mega Voter Registration. Empowering Voices, Shaping the Future. Central to the LAUGH event is the Mega Voter Registration Campaign, an initiative aimed at empowering individuals to become active participants in shaping a peaceful future. Enjoying rock, paper, scissors contests for Yamsay prizes. Patrons, dedicated individuals committed to promoting civic engagement, are working tirelessly to register voters and amplify the voices of those who have been marginalized. By exercising their right to vote, individuals contribute to a more just and equitable society. Your voice. Your choice is a consumer statement. Individual spending is captured with every dollar, returning 7% in rewards and incentives. The mega campaign serves as a reminder that peace is not a passive endeavor, but an active pursuit that requires the participation of all.
Section 6. Join the LAUGH. Embrace faith. Build a brighter future. The LAUGH event is more than just a gathering. It is a call to action, promoting world peace and disaster relief funding. It is an invitation to embrace the principles of faith and prosperity and become agents of change in our own communities. Let us answer this call with open hearts and a shared commitment to building a brighter future for generations to come. When we laugh together, we break down barriers, easing tensions within Détente 2.0 World Peace initiatives. When we unite in our commitment to peace and financial independence outside banks, we create a ripple effect that can transform the world. Join the laugh, embrace faith, and let us create a world where harmony, peace, and understanding prevail. Securing a world economy of voters and consumers becoming patron members of society. Join by visiting megavoters.com website.